Slack AI Search Tutorial 2024 step by step. In this video, we're going to be talking about Slack and how we are going to use its AI search to help us in our workspace and our Slack journey. Now, Slack, as we all know, is a great communication software that Slack was created for businesses to combine and do tasks in workspace. Okay. And what you want to do when it comes to working with Slack is you want to go ahead and send different types of data, do different types of managements, task management, project management, event management. But while doing all of these things, you might run into some barriers or you might run into some issues. Now, for those barriers and issues, the people at Slack made Slack AI. And Slack AI basically helps users to go through their workspace in a seamless process flow. Okay. Now, if you have any issue in your workspace, let's say I want to find a channel that contains blog individualities. So I'm going to be using one keyword, blog, and I'm going to search that up. And as you can see, there we go. This channel is a blog. So I can simply click on it and it opens up the blog for me. Now, these are the things that help us when it comes to Slack AI. It all depends on your keyword and how you have properly processed these keywords for yourself. All right. Now, let's get more into the details. So first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and search something like a conversation. We might have a conversation with a user or a coworker, and we want to find something from that conversation. So I'm going to go ahead and search up 50 contacts. Now, 50 contacts is a file I sent someone. So as you can see, it opens up the file. It also shows us the person we shared it with. And look at this. It shows us the whole conversation with the threads that we have. So how incredible is that? That you can actually search files using Slack AI, and you can actually see the date and the conversation they were sent in. Now, moving on, what moreover you can do is you're going to go into the search bar and you can search different messages. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and search how to read Slack data exports. Now, as we all know, data exports are totally code related with JSON and TXT files, and it's a little difficult for a normal person to read that code. Even for coders, it might be a little tricky. So you can simply search it up on Slack's AI on how to read Slack data exports. And as you can see, you get a whole list of data on how we're supposed to do that. It gives us the proper codes that we need to follow. It gives us the proper steps we need to follow and the proper lookouts we need to keep when working with all of this. So it's pretty basic and pretty easy stuff to get your head around, and it gives you a good idea of work ethic. Now, moving on, you can also use Slack AI to find applications, because in a few workspaces, you might have a lot of applications and it might get difficult to find their general or find the proper place they should be in. So to find that, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the search bar and we're going to search up Zapier over here, let's say, and look at that. I have a Zapier application over here, and from here on out, I can start my working with it. So you can search up applications, you can search up your generals with applications, and you can search up different conversations you've had with other people in the generals of those applications. So it's pretty standard and pretty easy stuff to get your head around. And it's generally pretty simple to work in this type of ethic, okay? So yeah, that's basically Slack AI, and that is how you can use Slack AI with your workspace in an integratory format. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos related to Slack AI or Slack, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.